नमस्ते एवरीवन, मेरा नाम प्रियंका है एंड आज हम एक ऐसा प्राणायाम सीखने वाले हैं which can prove to be a magical pill for people who have low BP usually. और कौन कौन से लोग हैं जिनको फायदा करेगा? जिनको बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं. Now negative thoughts simply means low on energy. So this is a pranayam which really boosts your energy instantly. Also, जिनको हाई बीपी है, इट डजंट मीन कि आप बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन होगा जब आप कर रहे होंगे. लेट्स सी दैट होल थिंग कैसे करना है. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज, ideally you should be sitting like this, and when you sit like this, make sure your feet are not crossing each other, they are separated. And if you are the one who cannot sit in this position for a very long time, then you can sit cross-legged. No problem. Prefer the earlier one, but if you can't, then you can sit in this also. And keep your spine erect. So, what we will do, make a loose fist inside of your shoulders, thumbs outside the fist, elbows close to your body. Now, as I will say, breathe in. What we need to do, we need to raise our arms up, open your palms, and then I will say count 1. So back to the position. So something like this. In, 2, in, 3, and so on. Now the catch is, the main thing that you really need to focus on, breathe in, forcefully exhaling from your nose. But जिनको high BP है, वो कैसे करेंगे? थोड़ा light तरीके से करेंगे इसको. कैसे? ब्रीथ इन, बहुत ज्यादा फोर्स नहीं लगाएंगे, डू इट वेरी माइल्डली. फाइन. तो लेट्स डू इट वंस टुगेदर and then you can practice it later on at home. So loose fist inside of your shoulders, thumbs outside the fist, elbows close to your body, spine erect, neck neutral. Now you may close your eyes, take a normal breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and breathe out. Now with full force, breathe in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10. Just place your palms on the knees, open to the sky, and feel the sensations that are happening in your body. And whenever you feel complete, taking your own time, you may open your eyes. So this is one round of Bhastrika, which had 20 repetitions, followed by 20 to 30 seconds of relaxation like this. And you can repeat it. You can go for 3 rounds. So 20 repetitions, relax 20-30 seconds, again second round, again relax, again third round, and again relax. Fine. So this is something that I usually say that practice करो and फिर change देखो. तो ये इसके लिए भी applicable है, but इसका असर आप एक बार में भी देख सकते हो. The moment you do it, after doing it even for the first time, you will see some changes. Right? So do it and do let me know how it impacted you. Till then, bye-bye.